Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add wings effect to your body in CapCut video. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application and I have imported my video to CapCut, and we're going to practice how we can add wings effect to this girl. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on effect option right here. Then we're going to select body effect. Then you have to search for the glowing line categories. So you have to scroll your screen to the right like this until you find glowing lines. Okay, and this is the glowing lines category. Tap on it. Then you can select the type of the wings that you want to use for your video. You can select angel wings right here. You can also select flame wings, double wings, or butterfly wings. You can select butterfly wings right here, and for me I'm gonna go with butterfly wings, so I'm tapping on butterfly wings. Okay, and after that we just need to click on this check mark button, and as you can see that the effect has been added to the video, and you can make the effect align with the video by dragging the effect like this. You can drag it to the right. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the results. So I'm going to play the video. Alright guys, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's how we can add wings effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.